Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work with Zoho Vault to be most efficient and easy to work with app. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at zoho.eu or log into our existing account, but I believe that you already got your account going. Straight away we are greeted with our workspace for all the passwords that we are going to use. As you can see, I created one password already. It's for Zapier. But let's go through our dashboard first. As you can see, you have a number of passwords. You have the passwords already. There are some folders, file attachment, SSO apps, and so on. You got overview of all passwords. As you can see, I have one password and it's weak. But let's go to the left sidebar and go through all these options that we can use. We have passwords itself, like all passwords, favorites. I don't have any in the favorites yet. Shared by me or shared with me. That's very important if you have colleagues or your team that you need to share the passwords to, or they want a password from you, for example, for accounting system and stuff like that. You can basically have 3 levels of management of your passwords, which is super admin, admin, and just a member. Super admin can create passwords, can manage them, and give all the rights to other groups like admins. Admins can manage passwords as well, but can't really delete any, and members, they are just users of the passwords. Now we have folders. You can create a folder with the passwords for example, accounting, folder name. You can share in them the passwords that you have created already, but Zapier is integration app, so let's go with integrations. For example, we go with a password, select folder, create one, and as you can see, we already created a folder that there is an integrations, and that's Zapier, and the folder with our passwords to our Zapier account. We can edit or share it. By sharing, you can pick from users. I don't have any of them, but if you manage to add more users, you'll be able to see a couple of users here, and you just press the user and send a password or send a whole folder to them so they can use the passwords in that folder. Straight away, we can move to SSO apps. Now I don't have any apps we can manage. When you press on add more apps, let's go with, for example, ERP Airtable, or yeah, it's up to you, but I'm familiar with Airtable. Now we can we have application name. We hit next, and done. Straight away, since I have Airtable already logged in my account, I'm able to add it in my apps. Now we can enable it or disable it. We can edit it and also share the password. Audit is visible only for super admins and admins. Ordinary customers or ordinary members won't be able to peek into our audit. Same goes for reports. It's only meant to be for admins. And here we have settings. In settings, the most used thing that you're going to use first will be user management. Users, groups, for example. You can create a first group with the name of employees, for example, employees only. Let's select only me right now, and as you can see, I made myself an employee. Still, I can edit or delete the group, but for users, since there is just me, we can add more users by sending them an invitation through or via email. So let's go like this. We hit add, and Zoho Vault sent us an invitation to our Asset account that we can use to basically join to our Zoho Vault account. We can import passwords here from different apps that we are running. For example, Google Chrome that I'm on right now. We can easily import all the passwords that we have. Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, and Vivaldi, or other vendors for passports. If you already not happy with other vendors' apps, you can basically copy paste all the passwords into Google Vault or Zoho Vault. Sorry, not Google Vault. Export passwords. We can also share our passwords from Zoho Vault, password policy, as you can see, password categories, password access requests, and so on. You have couple of options that you really need to go through to personalize your account or personalize your password sharing. But straight away, let's go to the password as a second option in the left sidebar. How we can manage to create a password into Zoho Vault. We click on all passwords. We can either import or just simply add a password, site, Unix, or Windows. Let's go with password. Straight away, this pop-up window will show up. We can name it. Let's go with, for example, automate.io. Username, let's go with Matthew. Password, let's go like this. URL and tags, you can also show more fields, and save. Since Automate obviously doesn't have the icon, we can go for something more flashy. Let's go with web account. Let's go with Facebook, for example. Username Marcus, password like this, and so on. All you have to do now is just click save, and password is successfully added. What you can do with this password, you can either copy the password straight away since you are a master admin, so you can basically manage all the passwords in Zoho Vault. You can launch it. For example, if we launch Zapier, we straight away get redirected. We get a password in, and we are already logged in our Zapier account, and we can manage the integrations or create more integrations, even for Zoho CRM, for example. Or we can import the passwords from a standard file from another Zoho Vault account, Google Chrome, for example, and so on and so on. When you click upload, first of all, you have to download all your passwords from Google Chrome, and then basically paste it into Zoho Vault and make them safe. So yeah, that's about it. Straight away in dashboard, we have 3 passwords already. in one folder that we can still manage. For example, for integration, we can edit it. And since Automate is also integration app, we can upload it, click on it, and as you can see, there's a Zapier and Automate. So yeah, if we want to share it as an option, we can share it between groups, for example, like this, and we can grant one-click login only to view, modify, or manage. Let's go with one-click only, and all people in employees section will be able to get into the folder with a password to all our integrations apps. We can grant all the other options or all the other rights, or revoke the permission. But let's go with employees and grant one-click only, and all our employees will be able to pick into our integrations folder. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.